Click the SQL button again to switch back to the Add Clause mode. Clear the expression. Enter a new expression, name, contains the text, city. Verify and run. In Contents, right-click the Cities layer and choose Attributes. Scroll through the names of the selected cities in the Attributes pane. Did the query work as expected? In the Geoprocessing pane, hover the mouse over the gray box containing the expression and click the Edit Clause button. Replace the city search term with city and click Update. Verify the expression. No records match the condition.